Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and to carry on with an EDC knife in the beer, what do we got here? We got the Sog. This is a Sog Snarl. It's really light, really solid for what it's built with, what it's made of. Again, I will have the information on the steel of the blade and the length and weight and everything in right now. Going around, can't remember offhand. But it says it's got this extra grip, you know, for control. And I don't. To me, it's better if you just grab it like this, because if you grab it like this, you go from having just a blade to knuckles. So punch, stab, self-defense, you know, go for the punch, come up, wham, up under the ribs, bam, 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 like a shank, I guess you would say. But yeah, as a self-defense knife, that's how I would use it, because it says, you know, like this just does not feel natural, and I would be afraid of my finger slipping off and slicing the tip of my finger off. But yeah, you just, you know, coming on your belt, comes with the clip, little everything. But you know, when you're pulling off, and you, as a self-defense, you come out and it's like wham, and you come out swinging, boom. Like I said, it's basically a self-defense tactical weapon. That's it. Now my finger's stuck in it, fat ass fingers. It's a Sog Snarl. Very small, very compact. Like it. Here it comes. Nice little fit in. Doesn't fall out. Works really good. You can hit, boom, and then come up. I think it'll be pretty decent self-defense item, or just, you know, something solid keeping your truck cutting corn sacks open. That's all the action this thing's been seeing. Filling feeders, slicing the corn sack. So there you are. That is the Sog Snarl. This really is useless. You know what they should turn that into? Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Figure it out. Because that's the most important part of any multi-use tool. Bottle opener. Even though they got twist tabs. Best part of a twist top, keeps the flies. Have you flies going in any beer? Any true drinker knows that.
There is the Snarl. Like I said, put it in just like that.